Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Makeup Stories by Cozy's Pride. Today I'm gonna share the cocktail makeup look with you. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe for further such videos. And this look can be done for cocktail parties or even any kind of party that you have to attend at evening. So let's start. After CTM, you can apply the primer. Here I'm using the Stageline Primer Plus Moisturizer. Next we are going to do the eyes. For that I'm using a concealer to conceal my eyelids. This works as a perfect base for your eyeshadows. I'm going to apply it to the eyelids and on the top of the eyebrows as well. Then I'm going to blend it. After that I'm going to use a transition shade. Here I'm using the brown shade from the palette. Here I'm using the James Charles palette and I'm gonna apply it to the eyelid and blend it thoroughly. Next I'm gonna take a darker shade and apply it on the eyelids as shown in the video. All the products which I'm using in this video, I'm gonna write it down in the description box. You can note it down from there. Next I have taken this light color. This is beige and that is from the same palette, and I've applied it to the eyelids. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of shimmer to the eyes. Apply it to the center of the eyes and blend it with the help of brush. After blending, you'll get a perfect finish to the eye makeup. Now to define the eyes, I'm using the gel liner. You can use liquid liner or any other liner available with you. I'm using the Makeup Studio eyeliner for this. Next, I'm gonna define the eyebrows a little bit. For this, I'm using the creme liner, brown shade, and the brush is flat brush. After the eyebrows are done, we are gonna do the face. For that, I'm using the liquid foundation which matches your skin tone. Here I'm using the Avon True Liquid Foundation. This gives a light coverage and more of a natural look. And with the help of a blender, I'm gonna blend it. Next, I'm concealing the dark spots with a lighter shade of your skin tone and blend it with the help of a blender. Now I'm adding the contour. This will make the face look slimmer. To the sides of the face, I'm gonna blend it with the help of a blender. And now I'm gonna settle all the makeup with a compact powder. This compact I'm using is from Forever 52. This will absorb all the excess sweat and help the foundation to stay longer. After our makeup is set, I'm gonna apply the blush. Here I'm using a blush which is more of a coral in shade. I'm gonna add it to the cheeks and blend it with the help of a blender. Next I'm gonna add the highlighter to the bridge of the nose and temple of the face. A little bit more to the cheekbone. Now I'm gonna add the kajal with the help of this Makeup Studio liner. This is smooth and glides on the eyes very easily. Be careful while applying the kajal. The brushes used here are from Beautylicious and they are very soft and very easy and very comfortable to use. I'm gonna dust off the excess material or dust on the face. Now to complete the look, I'm gonna add the lipstick. You can add the lipstick of your shade, but for evening I would prefer a darker shade, a bold shade. So here I'm using a wine shade. Before that I've lined the lips and now I'm gonna fill the lipstick. And we are done with this. This is our final look. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for further such videos. Thank you.